So, good evening, Emily. This is my program for the BST Binary Search 3 program. So, this is what defines a class for BST nodes. Class node. This is a constructor to create a new node with a given key. And then this is how I define a class for BST operations. BST node constructor to create the BST. So this is the very first method to insert a new node within a given key into the BST. We call the recursive helper method to insert the node. Then this is the second method, which is method to delete the node with a given key from the BST. Call the recursive helper method to delete the node. Then a recursive helper method to delete a node with a given key from a subtree rooted at a given node. So this is the helper method. Then return the updated node. Another helper method to find the smallest key in a subtree rooted at a given node. Method to search for a node with a given key, the BST. Then call the recursive helper method to search for the node. Then a recursive helper method to search for a node with a given key in a subtree rooted at a given node. Then another method to traverse the BST in order fashion and print the keys. Call the recursive helper method to traverse the BST. Then print the new line after the traversal. Recursive helper method to traverse the BST in order fashion, print the keys. And then another method to traverse the BST in pre-order fashion and print the keys. Recursive helper method, then print the line. Then another recursive helper method to traverse the BST in pre-order fashion and print the keys. Then the method to traverse the BST in post-order fashion and print the keys. Final recursive helper method to traverse the BST in post-order fashion and print the keys. And define a class to test the BST program. Then this is what it looks like. Then insert another node. Insert another node. Then on each node you can inherit from object class 2. And you can see different functions of each method. And here class 2, 8. Here 9. Return false. Check get class. You can see each function. So that's all, mom. Thank you.